Morning guys, I hope you all are doing great today. Let's start our work. Open your books to page number 107. Look at the bottom of your book. It should say 107. And what is the first thing that we're supposed to do? We're supposed to write our date. So let's move to the top left corner and write our date. It is 08/04/2020. Sorry, I wrote 200. It is 2020. So 8th of April 2020. Now let's read the title together. It says shapes. Put your finger on number 1 and let's read what are they asking us to do. Draw a line to match the shape to its name. Now they have given us shapes over here and they have given us names over here. We're supposed to match the correct name to the correct shape. Now let's first go through the names. The first one is square. Then we have triangle. Then we have a circle. Then we have a rectangle. Then we have an oval. Then we have a diamond. And then we have octagon. Now remember guys, octagon has 8 sides, okay? So let's start with the first one, square. Let's look around. Where is square? Does this seem like a square? I don't think so. What about this one? No. This one has only 3 sides and square has 4 sides. So let's move on. This seems like a square. And remember guys, square has all equal sides, okay? And rectangle has only 2 equal sides. So we're gonna go to the square and we will match it with the name like this. Okay, now let's move on. The next one is a triangle. Oh, triangle has 3 sides. So 1, 2 and 3. There we go. This is our triangle. Then we have a circle. Let's look around. Where's circle? The circle has no sides. So this has to be our circle. The circle looks like a football as well. Okay, then we have a rectangle. Where's the rectangle? What did I tell you? Rectangle has 2 equal sides. And this is our rectangle. I'm so sorry for the bad drawing. Let me fix it. Okay. Then the next one is an oval. Where is an oval? Oval looks like an egg. Where is it? This is an oval. Then the next one is a diamond. Where is a diamond? There we go, guys. This is a diamond. And now what are we left with? Octagon. Octagon has how many sides? 8 sides. Now let's see what are we left with. We are only left with this. Let's count the sides to be sure it's an octagon or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. There we go. This is our octagon. Wasn't this easy and fun? Okay, now let's move to the second part. Put your finger on number 2 and let's read the instructions. It says circle every 4th number after 7. So they have given us these numbers and they have started from 7. We have to circle every 4th number. What does that mean? We have to skip count by 4 and we have to skip count by 4 after 7. So let's see. 7 is over here and now we're going to skip count by 4. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Where do we land? We land on 11. So this is the 4th number. Now let's see. After 11 we have to skip count by 4 again. So we have we'll take 4 fingers out and we'll skip count by after 11. So 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Where do we land? We land on 15. There we go. We have circled it. Okay. Now after 15, again skip count by 4. So 16, 17, 18 and 19. We reached on number 19. Then after 19, skip count by 4. 20, 21, 22 and 23. So we reached on 23. There we go. Now again skip count by 4. after 23. So 23 is in our head. Then we have 24, 25, 26, and 27. So there we go, guys. This is 27. Now skip count after 27. 4 fingers out. 27 is already in our mind. Then we have 28, 29, 30, 31. So 31 is already here. And we're done. Look. Okay. Now let's read their next instruction. They're asking us to write the circled numbers on the blanks. Now let's see the circled numbers on the blanks. First one was 7, which was already done for us. Then we have 11. Then we have 15. Then we have 19. Then we have 23. Then we have 27. And then we have 31. There we go, guys. This was fun and easy. Okay, guys, now put your finger on number 3 and let's read this word problem together. It says, June had 30 cents in her left pocket and 20 cents in her right pocket. How many cents did June have? Now, what are they asking us? Let's find the keyword first. They are asking us how many. How many means they're asking us how many cents did June have all together. And what do we do when it's all together? We add. So we have to add over here. This is an addition word problem. So now let's start solving it. June had 30 cents. So we're going to write 30 over here in her left pocket and 20 cents in her right pocket. We're going to write 20 over here. And what sign do we have to put up? We have to put an addition sign in between. And now we have to tell them our final answer. Now let's make this easier for us. We're going to form a sum of it. So 30 plus 20. Now let's see. 0 plus 0 is 0. Then 3 is the bigger number. So we're going to put 3 in our mind. And we're going to take 2 fingers out. And we will count after 3. So we have 4 and 5. So our final answer is 50. So let's go to our page and write 50 cents. So basically, June had 50 cents all together. Wasn't this easy, guys? Okay, guys, now flip your page and go to page number 108. Let's see what we have over here. We have another word problem. This sounds like fun. So it says, there were 13 children swimming in a pool. There were 8 children sitting on the edge of the pool. How many more children were in the pool than on the edge? Okay, now focus, guys. What are they asking us? Let's find our keyword first. Our keyword is how many more. Many more. Many more means that we have to subtract it. Okay, so let's read the word problem again. It says, there were 13 children swimming in a pool. Okay, how many children were swimming in a pool? 13 were swimming in a pool. There were 8 children sitting on the edge of the pool. How many children were sitting at the edge of the pool? 8 were sitting at the edge of the pool. How many more children were in the pool than on the edge? So we have to subtract. Now 13 minus 8 is equal to, let's see what our answer is. So we're going to make a sum, 13 minus 8. Now let's see, 13 is the bigger number, so we're going to put 13 in our mind and we're going to take 8 fingers out and we will count backwards from 13. So 13 is in our mind, then we have 8 fingers out. Let's count backwards from 13. 13, then we have 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6 and 5. So our final answer is 5. So our final answer is 5 children. There we go, guys. Okay, guys, now put your finger on number 4 and let's see what are they asking us to do. It says add the money. Okay, so first we have to figure out what do we have in each row. Let's look at the first one. These seem like dimes to me. So how many cents do we have in each dime? We have 10 cents in each dime. The next row seems like nickels to me. So we have 5 cents in each nickel. And at last, in the last row, we have, look carefully, these are pennies. So 1 cent in each penny. Okay, now I'm gonna give you guys an easier way to do this. Okay, we have to add each of them up. So what we're gonna do is we're going to skip count. Now let's look at the first one. The first one are dimes. So we have to skip count by 10. We have 10. We're gonna start after 10. Okay, so let's skip count by 10 now. 10. Then we have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So till now we have 20. Now again skip count by 10 after 20. So we have 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Then we have 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. So now we have total 30. Now we're gonna skip count after 30. Okay, so 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and 40. So how many cents do we have in total over here? We have 40 cents. Now let's move to the next part. These are nickels, so we're gonna skip count by 5. We're gonna start after 5. Okay, now let's see. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so till now we have 10. Then skip count by 5 again. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, then another one. 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Alright, so till here we have 20 cents, guys. And now we're left with one more. And we have to skip count by 5. So 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. So we will write 25 over here. Now the last one are pennies. So we have to skip count by 1. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, and 4. This was easy. So we have 4 cents over here. So first we're going to make a sum of it. 40 plus 25 plus 4. Now let's see. First we're going to do these two. So 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. Then we have 5 plus 4, which is the bigger number. 5 is the bigger number. And we're going to take 4 fingers out and we will count after 5. So we have 6, 7, 8, and 9. So let's write 9 over here. Then we have 4 plus 2. So 4 is the bigger number. 4 goes in our mind and we're going to take 2 fingers out and we will count after 4. So we have 5 and 6. So our total answer is 69. Now let's go over here and write 69 cents in total. Now let's move to the next part, okay? I will help you guys with the coins. Okay, so the first one are quarts. And how many cents do we have in each quart? We have 25 cents in each quart. Then we have, what are these? These are dimes. So 10 cents in each dime. And the last one are pennies. So 1 cent in each penny. Now guys, you have to skip count, add these up, and then we'll match our answer. Okay guys, so the first one is 50 cents in the first row. Then we have 30 cents in the second row, and then we have 6 cents in the last row. Now let's see what our final answer is. So we have to add these up. 50 plus 30 plus 6. Now let's see. 0 plus 0 is 0. Then we have 0 plus 6, which is equals to 6. Then we have 5 plus 8. 5 is the bigger number, so that 5 goes in our mind. And we will take 3 fingers out and we will count after 5. So we have 6, 7, and 8. So 50 plus 30 plus 6 is equal to 86. Now let's go back on our book and write 86 cents over here. Okay, this is easy, guys. Now let's put our finger on number 5 and let's read the instructions. It says, measure the line with a centimeter ruler. Circle the correct answer. Okay, so you will need your centimeter ruler, guys. Now we have to look at these lines very carefully and tell them the correct answer. Okay, the first one says about 8 or 9 centimeters. Now let's see. I'm gonna take my ruler. I'm gonna place it on the line. So this one is about, look carefully, this is about 8 centimeters. So I'm going to circle 8. Now let's move on to the next one. The next one says about 9 or 10 centimeters. Again, I'm going to take my ruler and I'm going to measure it. So this one is about, sorry, I cannot put my ruler correctly. Okay, so let's look carefully, guys. This is about, is it 9 or 10? This is certainly about 10 centimeters long. And the last one is about 6 or 7 centimeters. So let's look at the last one. The last one is about, which one is it? It's closer to 6, right? Look, it's closer to 6. So this is about 6 centimeters. Wasn't this easy and fun, guys?